Kaya's eating avocado, her first solid food. And if you see her face, you can tell that it's a mess, but she's loving it. She is loving it. She's taking every bite. It goes in and out and in and out and in and out. But she is really, really chowing it down. Aren't you, babe? You like it. I like it too. Yeah. They said you need more calories. The avocado is a good choice because it has lots of fat and lots of calories. And get you an extra 4 calories per meal. We're doing good. Yeah. So what I had in there was 1 ounce. Oh, she's mad because I took it away. You want some more? You want some more? You want more? Yeah. Yeah, she wanted it back. That grunt was, I want it back. Give it back. Give it back. Yeah. Okay. Okay, one more. One more. And then we'll get your bottle. Yeah, I know you like it. Okay. Okay, that's the last bite. That's the last bite. Oops, it fell out. You have to put it on your tongue. Atta girl. Okay. I think she's wearing more than she's eating, but yeah, yeah. That was good, wasn't it?